In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Elevenlabs in N8n the fastest way possible. Let's dive right in so you can get started quickly and efficiently. First things first, head over to N8n's main website. This is where you'll find all the tools and resources you need to begin this setup. Once you're on the site, locate the Sign In button and click on it. You'll need to log into your N8n account using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, this is a good time to create one. It's quick and straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the N8n dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all of your workflows. From here, look for the option to create a new workflow and click on it. This will set the stage for integrating Elevenlabs into your N8n setup. Once your new workflow page is open, you'll see an option to add nodes. Nodes are the building blocks of automation in N8n, and adding the right nodes is essential for harnessing the power of Elevenlabs. So go ahead and click on Add Nodes. This will bring up a search function. Type Elevenlabs into the search bar. You'll see the Elevenlabs node appear in your search results. Select it to add it to your workflow. This node is what connects your N8n automation with Elevenlabs features, allowing you to automate tasks using its advanced capabilities. With the Elevenlabs node added to your workflow, you're just about done with the initial setup. You've laid the groundwork for a seamless integration between these platforms. All that's left is to configure any specifics that align with your use case. This could involve setting up specific triggers or actions related to Elevenlabs functionalities. Don't worry if this seems complex. N8n's interface is intuitive and provides guidance along the way. In case you're wondering why use Elevenlabs with N8n, the answer lies in efficiency and versatility. Elevenlabs is renowned for its robust feature set, and when combined with N8n, you unlock a vast potential for streamlining your workflows. Whether you're automating repetitive tasks or enhancing data handling processes, this integration keeps everything running smoothly with minimal manual intervention. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to set up Elevenlabs with N8n. By following these steps, you're now equipped to leverage these powerful tools together. Thanks for tuning in. And don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy automating!